Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Snapchat. Alright, the first thing you need to do here is to open up your Snapchat app. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to click on your Bitmoji. Alright, at the top left. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on this gear icon right here at the top right. Tap on that. Now you're going to want to scroll down a bit. Alright, or scroll down to the bottom until you see the option blocked users. All right, as you can see here, blocked users. You're going to want to click on that or tap on that. Right, for example, here I've blocked this guy right here, but this is just for example, no offense to the guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the X button right here, and it will show you a prompt. Are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Just go ahead and tap on yes, and the person is now unblocked. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.